Good morning, dear students. Today we are starting with the exercise 4B. Question number 1 is there. Question number 1. Find the cube roots of. This is the question number 1 from the exercise 4B. Okay. In the previous exercise we have learned that how to find the cubes of the given number, and in this exercise we will learn about the how to find out the cube root of the given number. The first question is there. One of the simple example we are taking 64. We want to find out the cube root of 64. So let us find out the prime factors of 64 that already we have learned in the previous chapter. Okay, so let us divide this 64 by using the prime factors of 64. Let us divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2, 1 is remainder. 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are and 2 1s are, right? So these are the prime factors of 64. Then let us write this given number. Cube root of 64 we need to find out. So for that, 2 into 2, how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Since it is a cube root, we will make a triplet of each number, means group of 3 of each number. See, there is a one triplet of 2, correct? Also there is one more triplet of 2, group of 3. 3 numbers are included in one triplet. Since there is a one triplet of 2, so 2 will come out of the cube root, and also one more 2 will come outside the cube root. It means the final answer we are getting is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. That means we can say that cube root of the 64 is 4. Okay, cube root of the 64 is 4. Let us take one more example. Second example we are taking. Nine two six one. 9261. Okay, so let us find out the prime factors of 9261. Nine two six one. Let us divide it by 3. We can divide it by 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 is not included in the 3's table, so we should take 0. Now it becomes 26. 2 8s are 24. 2 is remainder. 21 is this. 3 7s are correct. Again divide it by 3. 3 1s are 3. 0. 3 2s are 6. 2 is there. 3 9s are 27. Got it? So once again, when we divide it by 3, then what we are getting? 3 3s are 9. 1 is there. 3 4s are 12. And 3 3s are 9. 343. Now we know that 343 is a cube of 7. Right? So let us divide it by 7. 7. It becomes 49. 7 7s are 49. And 7 1s are 7. So these are the prime factors of 9261. So to find out the cube root of 9261, cube root, okay, how many times 3 is there? 3 times 3. And how many times 7 is there? 1 2 3. 3 times 7. Okay, so to find out the cube root, make a triplet, means group of 3. One triplet of 3 is completed and one triplet of 7 is completed. So that means one of the 3 will come out and one of the 7 will come out from the cube root sign. So 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. So here we can say that cube root of 9261 is 21. This will be the final answer. Got it? Cube root of 9261 is 21. This is the final answer. Is that clear? Okay. One more example. Sixth, that is, find the cube root of 4096. 4096. We want to find out the cube root of 4096. Okay. So let us find out the prime factors of 4096. Four 4096. First, divided by 2. 2 2s are 0. 2 4s are 8. 1 is remainder. And 2 8s are 16. Correct? Again 2. 2 1s are 2. 0. 2 2s are 4. And 2 4s are 8. Again 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Again 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. Got it? Sorry, here 2 2s are 4, right? 2 2s are 4 means 256. Then once again 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. Again 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. Once again 2. 2 3s are 2s are 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. Again 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So many 2s are there, right? So how many 2s? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 times 2 is there. So if 12 times 2 is there, so let us make a cube root of this. To find out the cube root of this given number, cube root of 4096, it means 12 times 2 is there as a prime factors. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, so 12 times 2 is there. Now let us make a triplet of 2's. One triplet is completed. It is our second triplet, third triplet and 4 triplets. Means there are the 4 triplets of 2. If 4 triplets of 2 is there, it means 4 times 2 will come out of the root sign, and therefore we can say that cube root of 4096 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 16 will be the answer for us. Got it? 16 will be the answer. Okay, so these are the simple examples. Now we are going to find out the roots of some fraction numbers, say p by q form. Okay, question number 2 is there in the exercise, same exercise. Question number 2 we are doing, find the cube of. find the cube of. The first example is 27 upon 64. Okay, 27 upon 64. This is our first example that we are going to do. Now, generally we know the cube roots of 27 and 24. Okay, as we know that 27 is a cube of 3 and 64 is a cube of 4. Got it? And in case if you don't know that whose cube is 64 or whose cube is 27, you can go for the prime factorization method. In that way also you can solve. Okay, as we can see, there is a one triplet of 3 and one triplet of 4. So 3 by 4 is the final answer. Got it? In case if you don't know that whose cube is this 64, you can go for the prime factorization method. No problem in that. Instead of writing 4 into 4 into 4, you can write 2 how many times? 6 times. Got it? Again you will get the same answer. So I think that you should learn the cubes of the numbers of at least 20, so that in a very easy way you can find out the final answers. Okay, then next example, second example we are solving. It is 343 upon 512. We want to find the cube root of this number. So let us write here cube root of 343 512. Got it? As we have learned that 343 is a cube of 7 and 512 is the cube of 8. So the final answer will be 7 upon 8. Once again, if you don't know that whose cubes are this number, so you can go for the prime factorization method, no problem. Okay. Another example. It is fifth we are solving. 64 multiplied by 27. We want to find out the cube root of these numbers. So let us write the given numbers in the cube root. So we can say that 64 is the cube of 4, and also we know that 27 is a cube of 3. Correct? There is a one triplet of 4 and one triplet of 3. So 4 multiplied by 3, the final answer will be 12. Got it? Again, sixth, 3, 3, 7, 5 multiplied by 512. So to find out the cube root of this, 3375 multiplied by 512. So 3375. If it is not, you don't know that whose cube is that, so you can go for the prime factorization of 3375 in case if you don't know the cube. So let us make a prime factorization of 3375. This is just an example if you don't know the cube, but if you know the cube you can go for the direct method. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 3 fives are 15. Again 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are, 3 sevens are 21, 3 5s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are, then 5 into 25, 5 into 5, and 5 ones are 5. So now we know that 3375 means these are the prime factors. Or if you know that it is a cube of 15, so we can generally write 15 into 15 into 15, like that also we can write. Now I hope you know the cube of 512. Most of the times we have done the same type of question. It is a cube of 8, correct? So what we can write now? Triplet of 3, there is a triplet of 5, so one of the 5 will come out, and there is a triplet of 8. So 5 into 8 is 40, and 43 is a 120. 120 will be the final answer. Okay. Now let us find out the cubes of some negative numbers. Cubes of the negative numbers we are going to find out. Question number 3. In that the first one is minus 216. We want to find out the cube of minus 216. So let us write the given number in the root sign. Cube root of minus 216. As we know, 216 is a cube of 6. That means minus 216 will be the cube of minus 6. So the final answer will be minus 6, as the triplet is minus 6 is there. Okay. Similarly, if we want to find out the cube of, suppose the second part we are solving here. Suppose we want to find out the cube of minus 500 or minus 101,331. So write the given number under the root sign in this way. And we know that this is the cube of 11, so negative number will be the cube of minus 11. Okay. If you don't know that whose cube is that, you can go for the prime factorization method. I hope all of you have understood this. Suppose one of the fraction number is there. Minus 512 upon 343. Okay. So to find out the cube of this number, write it inside the bracket. So we know that 512 with the minus sign is a cube of minus 8. Got it? And 343 is a cube of 7. So the final answer is minus 8 upon 7. Okay. To solve these questions in the easy pattern, you should learn the cubes of at least 20. Okay, so that it becomes easier to find out the cubes in this way. Otherwise, always you have to go for the prime factorization method. Now there is a next question.